Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled at the foot of a majestic mountain, there lived two best friends named Jack and Sam. Jack was known for his courage and quick thinking, while Sam was admired for his kindness and loyalty. Together, they shared countless adventures and stood by each other through thick and thin. One sunny morning, as Jack and Sam set out on their usual hike through the forest, they stumbled upon a sight that made their hearts race with fear: a massive bear blocking their path. "Oh no, what do we do?" Sam whispered, his voice trembling with anxiety. Jack remained calm, his mind racing with ideas. "We must stay calm and stand our ground," he said firmly. "Remember, a friend in need is a friend indeed. We'll face this challenge together." With a deep breath, Jack and Sam stood tall, facing the bear with unwavering determination. The bear let out a mighty roar, its sharp claws glinting in the sunlight, but Jack and Sam stood their ground, refusing to back down. As the bear lunged forward, Jack sprang into action, using all his strength to distract the beast while Sam scrambled to safety behind a nearby tree. But just as Jack thought he had the upper hand, the bear swiped its massive paw, sending him tumbling to the ground. Seeing his friend in danger, Sam knew he had to do something. With courage fueled by love and loyalty, he emerged from his hiding spot and rushed to Jack's side, standing shoulder to shoulder with him once again. Together, Jack and Sam faced the bear head-on, their bond stronger than ever. With a final roar of frustration, the bear turned and lumbered away, defeated by the power of true friendship. Exhausted but victorious, Jack and Sam embraced, their hearts filled with gratitude for each other's unwavering support. As they made their way back home, they knew that no matter what challenges they faced, as long as they had each other, they could overcome anything that came their way.